Upgrade your kitchen with pure titanium cutting boards. Meet the 2025 new titanium cutting board, set of 3. Why settle for ordinary when you can have titanium? Imagine prepping meals with professional-grade cutting boards. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike. 3 sizes to fit every kitchen task. 11.5 by 8, 14 by 10, 18 by 12 inches. Sliced fruit on the front, prep meat on the back. Double-sided design prevents cross-contamination. Switch sides for effortless meal preparation. Solid titanium alloy delivers unmatched durability. 1.7mm thick for heavy chopping and slicing. No scratches, no food juice absorption. Built tough for long-term reusable performance. Enjoy a hygienic surface every time you cook. Easy to clean, just wipe with water. No more scrubbing or soaking required. Lightweight design for easy portability. Move seamlessly from countertop to sink. Hang up your board for neat storage. Keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Refined design adds elegance to any space. Rounded edges ensure safe handling. Prep vegetables, meat, fruit, dough, and more. Roll pie dough or knead bread with confidence. Make sandwiches, slice cheese, or dice onions. Versatile enough for every cooking task. Ideal for busy kitchens and high-traffic food prep. Professional chefs trust titanium for hygiene. No cracks, odors, or knife damage. Health-conscious cooks love the easy clean surface. Prevent cross-contamination with double-sided use. Rust-resistant for lasting performance. Wire-drawing finish resists stains and fingerprints. Effortlessly maintain a spotless workspace. Durable enough for daily chopping and dicing. Reusable for years, no need to replace. Sleek hanging design keeps boards accessible. Choose the right size for any recipe. Small for snacks, medium for veggies, large for meat. Perfect for prepping family meals or entertaining guests. Titanium is naturally food-safe and non-toxic. No harmful chemicals leach into your food. Enjoy peace of mind with every slice. Upgrade your kitchen's efficiency and hygiene. Transform meal prep into a seamless experience. Save time with easy cleaning and quick storage. Stay focused on the art of cooking. No more worrying about stains or lingering smells. Titanium resists knife marks and wear. Boards stay looking new, even after heavy use. Impress guests with your professional setup. Enjoy the confidence of a premium kitchen tool, perfect for restaurants, cafes, and home kitchens, designed for both style and practicality. Hang, clean, and use. Repeat effortlessly. Experience the difference titanium makes. No more plastic warping or wooden splinters. Invest in quality that lasts. Make every meal prep faster and safer. Cut, dice, roll, and knead, all on one board. Enjoy versatility with every cooking session. Bring professional standards to your home kitchen. Keep your space stylish and organized. Titanium boards are the future of food prep. Upgrade today for a cleaner, smarter kitchen. Don't miss out on this 2025 innovation. Make the switch to titanium cutting boards. Experience durability, hygiene, and elegance. Transform your kitchen routine. Order now. Elevate your cooking with the titanium cutting board set.